Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to withdraw your Lazada e-wallet balance to Gcash. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to make things clear, you cannot withdraw your Gcash directly from your Lazada e-wallet. However, you can withdraw your Lazada e-wallet balance to a bank account first. So to withdraw your Lazada e-wallet balance to a bank account, simply tap on withdraw and select a withdrawable deposit or refunds. Choose your preferred bank account and send it to your preferred bank. So after doing this, to link your Gcash to your Lazada account, simply go on your Lazada checkout page, tap View All Methods, then select Gcash e-wallet. Enter your Gcash number and tap Next. After entering the 6-digit authentication code sent to your registered mobile phone number, tap on Next. Log in into your Gcash account and tap Authorize. You can now use Gcash as a payment method in Lazada. However, you cannot transfer your Lazada e-wallet balance to Gcash directly. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.